Hi, I'm Valentine from Pilates Body by Valentine, and today we're going to be doing a Smart Bell podcast for the back. Now, the participants here are only going to be showing one side, so don't forget, if you're going to do this at home, you have to change to the other side. Right now, they're on all four. It's called quadruped. They have the edge of the Smart Bell on the floor. Raise your Smart Bell so the handles are parallel to the ground. Your head is down to the ground. Inhale to set it. Cat back. Under, stomach. Touch. And lengthen. Inhale. And again. Under, and up. Not too far back here. Good. And under, blow. Really activate your abdominals. And reach toward me. And under, and give it a rest. Now hold it there. And now we're going to lift up our left leg. All right? Let's lift up our left leg and get your right arm up. All right, now we're going to cat back again, and we're going to tuck in that left knee. Go. Round, round. Extend. Inhale. Go. Round, really round. And go. Just touch the edge of this to the floor. Tuck. Round under. And go. Good. Two more. Round in that back. Good. And reach high. And tuck again. Round. Drop the head. Perfect. And up. Don't forget to do the other side. Here we go. Stand up, everybody. We're going to show another exercise. It's in your right hand. All right, now we're going to squat. This is your normal. This is home. All right, now we're going to squat and make a transfer. Go. Make a transfer to the other hand, looking at the floor, and then we're going to stand up. Ready? Go. Pull the abdominals in and go. Remember, you are always compromising yourself. If you bend over, you've got to pull your stomach in because your low back is being tested. Good. Two more. And reach. And go. So reach. Good. And come up. All right, now we're going to start again with your cat back. Put your left hand on your thigh and arm is by your side in the squat. That's your beginning position. There's some familiarity here. Cat back. Blow. Push. Use your stomach. Inhale. And again. Stomach. Curl. Crunch. Go. You have two more. The arm is ornamental here. Stomach. Good. Wow, good. And inhale. Again. Blow. Last one. And blow. All right, lower your arms. That was really good. Very good. Thank you for watching the Smart Bell podcast brought to you by Balanced Body. See you next time.